You ready? Ready? Go get it! Hi, thanks for joining me. I will be doing Camino English in a few months. So I want to share with you some of the items I will be bringing along with me on the English way. So let's start it. Bottom up. Here, a pair of Adidas Gore-Tex shoes and Gingy socks, toe socks, merino wool, darn tough socks to go with it. Smart wool underwear. Stretchy pants for hiking. Smart wool hooded shirt. I like to wear a vest when I'm hiking. I like to keep my core warm. I get overheat if I wear a jacket. A vest. Don't forget a gaiter, neck buff. And, of course, this. Ta-da! This is what I will be wearing every day. All right, let's check out my bag. What's inside the bag? Before we dive inside the pack, let's see what's on the outside. Well, in the front here, a small water bottle where I put my snack. This is the pouch for my phone. I have a whistle. Now, this one is loud. I mean, it is super loud. Trust me, it is very loud. A liter of water. Lightweight Snow Peak umbrella. For my knee, this is a sitting pad for sitting on the ground. So that way I won't rip my pants for sitting. Ta-da! From top to bottom, let's see. My jacket, my outer shell. Rain jacket. Mountain Warehouse puffy jacket. This thing is so light. My beanie hat. What's in here? Let's see. Pair of socks, extra socks. Shaver. Towel. Here is my electronic goods, my camera, my battery pack, charging cables. This is my food bag where I keep all my snacks. Sandals for taking shower. My poncho is in here. Let's see what's in here. What's in here is my sleepwear. Sleepwear. My quilt. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Until then, buen camino!